Hello everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a tutorial on how to start an LLC in Texas. And real quick, before we get into today's video, I gotta mention that this channel is partnered with Bizee. By using our affiliate link below this video, you can be benefiting our channel at no additional cost to you. It is a great way to use Bizee's amazing services while also supporting our channel so that we can continue making videos for you like this one. By the end of this video, you will not only have a clear understanding of how to use Bizee to form your LLC, but you will also have all the tools and knowledge necessary to navigate the state's requirements and make informed decisions for your business. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first step would be to head to Bizee's website. Again, you can use the link below this video for your convenience. And once you are in there, you will see an option to start your business. So let's go ahead, click on it to begin the process. For the entity type, we want to select LLC, and then for the state section, you want to drop down the menu and select Texas. Right after that, we are presented with Bizee's pricing tiers, and for that, we've got three main packages: the basic, standard, and the premium plan. The basic plan is their free option that comes in at $0 plus the state fee. At the moment, the Texas state fees are $300. This package is a great option if you're on a tight budget, and it will get you your LLC formation service done, 1 year of free registered agent service, your operating agreement template, and a free accounting or consultation. You also get a bunch of different features by using Bizee. This is exactly why I highly recommend this service, such as the lifetime compliance alerts, unlimited phone and email support, online access to your dashboard, business banking account offer, and if you really want to get your LLC formed as quick as possible, then you can pay for the expedited filing, which for this state would cost you $50, and instead of having to wait 4 whole weeks for your LLC to be formed, you will only get it done in 2 days filing time. You can also choose to upgrade to the standard plan at $200 plus the state fees. With that, you will get everything that is available in the basic plan plus additional services such as the operating agreement filed for you, as this would normally cost you $99. You also get the IRS form 2553 filed for you. And finally, for the premium plan with Bizee at $300 plus the $300 state fee, inside that package you get everything in the previous plans plus the expedited filing, domain name and business website, business email address, and all of different features that this platform has to offer. So personally, I highly recommend going through these features and then choosing the package that best fits your needs and of course your budget. I'm going to continue with the basic package for my order and then click on get started. The next step would be to fill in our company information, starting by entering the LLC name and then the designator, so LLC or L.L.C, and you have to make sure that your name is available in the state. Of course, Bizee does this service to check the name availability for free, so simply enter the LLC name and then click next. Next up, we have the offer to make our state filing time go faster. So the typical state filing time in Texas is 4 weeks, but if you want it to be done in 2 business days, then you have to pay an additional fee and then you can get it done much sooner. But if you're really not in a rush to get your LLC formed, you can continue with the free option and then click next. Next up, we've got the contact person, which is basically the person responsible for this order, and they can contact in case they need additional documents or if they have any questions regarding your application. Of course, you can enter your own details and act as your own contact person for this LLC. After that, we get to the company address information, and for this one, you can either use your own address or opt in for the service provided by Bizee, where they basically offer you a professional business address and virtual mail service. And the great thing about this service is that it's only for $29 per month, and then you can get to maintain privacy by using a commercial address. You also get unlimited scanned incoming mail and a physical address for your business. If you really value your privacy and want to keep your address private, then definitely go with this service. However, if you are on a more tighter budget or you don't mind having the address provided to the state and listed publicly, then you can continue with this option and then enter your details. The next crucial step about this is to provide members information for your LLC. So you can start by entering how many members there are currently in the LLC. If it's just you, then you enter 1 and hold 100% ownership. And then after that, you will be asked to provide some information about each one of the members that you chose earlier. So basically providing their first and last name and then to provide an address. If you went with the virtual address service with Bizee, then you may choose this option right here again, and then it will enter that address. Up next, we have the registered agent information. So as many of you know, most of the states do require an LLC to appoint a registered agent. And the great thing is that with Bizee, you can get a full year of registered agent service completely for free. And then after that, if you choose to continue with the service, then you can get to keep it for only $119 yearly. This price is very competitive. It's among the lowest I've seen from the LLC formation services. But if you choose to, you can act as your own registered agent and save some money after that first free year. Or if you already have a registered agent in mind, then you may choose to assign them at a later stage. After that, we provide our EIN, and if you don't have one already, then you can choose to have Bizee obtain it for you for $70. However, I do recommend continuing with the free option, as you can get this done for free and get it directly done for you from the IRS website. It is a bit of work, but if you don't mind doing it, then you can definitely continue the free option. And finally, we get to review all the information that we have entered and the services that we have selected. If everything looks great, you may proceed to payment. Remember, at the right side, the total cost will include Bizee's service that we have selected and the state filing fee for the state that you have chosen, so in our case, Texas. Once you have completed your order, Bizee will prepare and file your certificate of formation with the Texas state. They will keep you updated on the progress and notify you once your LLC is officially formed. Thanks so much for watching this video. Definitely let us know whether you found it to be helpful or informative to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.